Hey, Mick, my claws are killing me today. My paws are sore. I don't know if I can keep doing this. I need to take a break.
You get back over here, Rock.
Hey, Mick, I don't know if I can do any more today, Mick. I don't know. I have to go see Adrian. Yeah, I'll try again. But, okay, Paulie, watch this. Okay, Mick, here, one more jab. Okay, I'll try.
You jab that till it hoits.
All right.
I want to see
Go.
500
All right.
jabs on that bag
All right,
before you
that's
leave.
it. Oh, I'm going home,